Welcome to the next video on transportation in a supply chain. In the previous video, we have looked at two transportation networks. In this video, again I will look at two transportation networks, and in C, we will look at one more. So 2 plus 2 plus 1, these are 5 networks that we are dealing with. So first of these two is the all shipments from the supplier to the buyer does not happen directly, but it happens through a distribution center. Secondly, purpose of distribution center is storage. So goods are stored here for few days or few weeks. The reason is the shipments are coming in very large quantities, but the requirement on this side is fairly low. So it is only over a period of long time that the shipments which have come, they get consumed and sold to the buyers. So items like cement from factories, it does not go to the construction sites. So it will first go to a distribution center. From distribution center, it will go to large customers. Same is the case with the steel. Books also from the publishers, it does not go to the customers or to the book shops, but first it will go to a distributor, and from distributor it will go to the bookshops. Same thing happens for shoes and same thing happens for fertilizers. So goods which are generally not made to order, you will find this kind of thing being very common, where the lot size that is coming from the factory is large and lot size which is required here is quite small. So therefore there is a need for storage for few days and few weeks, and we have this kind of network. Now let us look at another network which is fairly similar to the previous one, but it is cross-docking. So again, goods are coming from the suppliers and going to the retailers, and they come to an intermediary transit point. This is a transit point, it comes here, but purpose is not to store for more than except for a few hours. So maybe for 6 to 8 hours goods are there, but they have to be shipped. As I mentioned earlier, this is also called cross-docking. So in cross-docking, goods are coming from various plants and suppliers, then temporarily they are kept here, then they are loaded and shipped to the retailers. So these are suppliers and this is a transit point. Purpose here is only getting some goods from here, some from here, some from here, and shipping it to retailer 1, retailer 2 and retailer 3 from different suppliers, but purpose is not to keep it for long duration. This kind of system can work only if these trucks are large. Your total requirement on this side should also be large, which means if you have got large volumes on the right hand side also, only then this cross-docking is going to work. So this is without storage. Thank you.